This morning we're leaving the city of Van here in eastern Turkey. We've been here a few times. The first time we got here, we arrived at the bus station and walked to our hotel, and we met this super nice guy who had a shop selling melons and all different kinds of fruit. And he was so excited to see us. He gave us a bunch of free fruit and was just so nice to us. And then when we walked back to the bus station the next time, we saw him again for the second time. Same treatment. I think he gave us even more food that time.
Yeah, he did.
And now it is 8 days later. I'm pretty sure he expected to never ever see us again. But we're back in Van for the last time, walking to the bus station for the last time. We're about to pass his shop now. This time we've come prepared. We have some bread for him. I mean, the guy sells melons and fruit and sodas, so I don't know what kind of gift we were supposed to get him, but we definitely didn't want to come empty-handed this time. Let's cross the street and go see our guy, Mr. Melon Man. Assalamualaikum. This for you.
Yok, sağ olasın.
Yeah.
Yok. Yemiyorum.
This bread.
Afiyet. Gelin buraya.
It's not much communication. He doesn't speak English, but we always have a good time on Google Translate. He's already brought us chai and told us to eat the food we brought for him. Just can't win here. Here we go again. Half a melon from the Melon Man, the nicest guy in the world. Not another one.
That's enough.
Okay, after this we need to go.
Afiyet. Yiyin.
Teşekkür ederim. We just wanted him to take the bread, but I guess we should have expected this because it's happened every time we've come here. It's gonna be a good one. By the pole with the melons. Let's go.
Tamam.
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 Teşekkür ederim. Spas.
Teşekkür ederim.
Rica ederim. Bak ben güzel çekmişim.
Çok
Bu
good.
benimdi.
It's
Bu
for
benim.
you. Yeah.
Tamam.
Yeah.
Teşekkür.
Chocolate.
Yes.
Nereden
Mission
aldınız?
complete. Success.
Şu anda. Poşet var orada abi. Çok tatlı bak abi. Dur onu oraya yapalım ya.
No, I can carry it. It's okay.
He wants to tie it on your bag.
Last time he tied it on my bag. Looks like we're leaving with some
Gidiyorsunuz.
sour oranges.
Hadi Allah'a emanet. Görüşürüz.
Teşekkür ederim.
Başınız.
Bye bye. Oh my goodness. See you.